everyone, welcome back to my channel. How adorable are these? I honestly could not stop looking at them when I first saw them on TikTok, and then I contacted the person who made them on Instagram and just asked if it's okay to go ahead and make them and show you guys. Of course she agreed. I'm going to link her Instagram below so you can check out all of her amazing crafts. These are miniature bubble hats. They're the cutest things in the world. We're going to make a miniature bobble hat garland for Christmas. All you would need for this is cardboard tubing. That can be kitchen roll or toilet roll. I'm going to use some sellotape, and you will need some wool. Colour of your choice, of course. I'm going full on red and white for Christmas. And you'll need scissors, and you'll also need some cotton wool balls just to shove inside those hats. I'm also using this little notebook. So you just want to cut your cardboard tube to the width that you want the band of that hat. I'm just going for like roughly 1 centimetre pieces, and I got exactly, the cardboard tube served me really well for this size. What I'm going to do then, I'm going to take the sellotape and I'm going to wrap it around those cardboard tubes. This is optional. I just felt like it would secure them. My cardboard tubes were almost like falling apart in places, so I just felt like if I wrap some sellotape around them, it's just going to secure them, and it will just be easier for me long term, knowing that they won't just fall apart. Then you want to wrap your wool around a small thing. That can be a piece of card or a book, like I'm using a little notebook here. Each of these pom-poms took 30 wraps, so I just wrapped it around the book 30 times, and then I just grabbed my scissors and I cut the ends off, which is pretty, if you've made tassels and things like that, this is pretty much the same kind of procedure. So I just went ahead and cut those off, and this is about as easy as it gets. Honestly, I'm in an R in whether to do a video, but I thought I have to show you this. You're just gonna double up your piece of wool, shove it through, grab your fingers through the loop, and pull the other two pieces back, and that is it. That is literally it. I just repeated this step over and over until I had used up all of the wool that I cut, and I just made sure that I pulled them nice and tightly, so they're always gonna kind of stay in place. I just show you 3 here. So easy. How easy is that? Guys, wait till you see the finish once it's all done. Oh, so cute. What you need to do now is, and this is key, you need to shove it all back through there. So just grab it all, shove it all back through. Just use your fingers to make sure that it's gone through. Give it a bit of a yank, make sure that it's tight. Then you're going to get your cotton ball, shove that in there to just form that hat shape. Then you're going to cut yourself a bit of wool, extra long, and wrap it around. That's literally about as easy as it gets, isn't it? I just cannot get over how cute these are. You want to take your time here and just wedge it up, like wedge it down, wedge it up. Make sure that you've got that perfect hat shape, and tie a knot. It's so easy. So easy. I honestly did get so excited over these. But when I'm going to link her Instagram, so go check her out because she's used the most beautiful tones of wool with this. Really just autumnal tones. And all I do now is I go ahead, grab some scissors, and just trim off that pom-pom to where I want it to be. You can leave it if you want to, just have it big and bushy, or just a tiny little one like this. Oh, so cute. Look at them together. Now, what you could do now, if you wanted to, you could create some pine cone little gnomes, add a little nose on there with a bit of a beard, or someone else suggested you could use them as bottle tops. If you're giving someone a bottle of wine for Christmas, just pop them on the top. How cute is that? I thought that was such an adorable idea. Then the last stage is to just get your string, your wool, whatever it is you're using, ribbon even, and just tie it around the tops of those baubles. What am I looking for? Pom-poms, the tops of the hats. Oh, you know what I mean. Wrap it around there, and I'm just going to show you here that I do 2, and then I continue to wrap all of the hats that I've made. And I just think this is so easy. It's just so adorable. And these hats can really be used for anything. You could make bigger versions and put them on your sock gnomes, on your Santas. Yeah, I had two left over, so I hung them on my tree. But here they are on my fire guard. My fire guard. Listen to me thinking I've got a fire. My radiator cover in my hallway. I love them. I love them. You could put extra bits in between, pine cones or tassels or stars. You could decorate them any way you want. I hope you've loved this. It is the quickest possible DIY. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.